Hello, I'm the journalist and author Philip Yancey. I've written more than 25 books in my career, translated into 50 languages, including Slovenian. I have one book, What's So Amazing About Grace, which is in Slovenian, and a new one is going to be introduced soon. The title of it is Where is God When It Hurts? That's a question that we all ask at one time or another, and especially right now because we're living in some dangerous times when people, especially in Ukraine, are are going through a lot of pain and suffering. This was one of the first books that I wrote, and I went back and rewrote it. A lot of what I came up with was derived from my time with Dr. Paul Brand, a brilliant surgeon who worked with people who feel no pain. Those are people with leprosy. And I learned a lot about pain, oddly enough, from people who do feel no pain. Whether you are in some sort of pain yourself or trying to bring comfort and healing to people around you, I think you've probably asked some of these questions before, and I hope some of the answers I come up with will help you as you try to reach out and bring compassion and comfort to people who are in pain. That's a question that skeptics ask. It's a question that faithful believers ask. It's one of the oldest stories in the Bible, the book of Job, and it's worth spending some time on to try to find out what God had in mind with this thing called pain and how we should respond to it. I hope you enjoy the book.